Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making a super easy origami photo frame. So let's begin with the video. I'm using a 15 by 15 centimeters origami paper. To make the photo frame, let's fold the paper into two halves. Then give two diagonal folds to it. Now let's fold the four corners into the center. Then flip the paper over and again fold the four corners into the center. Now again we'll flip the paper over and fold each square into a small triangle. Then open the small triangles and tuck it inwards like it's shown here. And here the origami photo frame is ready. I'm sticking a paper flower at the back of the frame so that the frame doesn't open. I'm inserting an image of a cross in the frame. You can also frame a photo or a quote in the frame. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love art and craft content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.